Hi, Daniel from Lamps Plus here with tips for installing ceiling fans. Now these tips are going to apply to most standard fan designs, but make sure that you fully read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for your particular fan. Please be safe when you're working with electrical connections. Make sure that the electricity has been turned off at the circuit breaker or fuse box. If you don't feel comfortable working with electrical connections, we highly recommend the use of a licensed professional electrical technician. Lamps Plus also offers installation services in select areas, so please contact us for details. Make sure that the existing outlet box is UL listed and marked for fan support. Now, if your fan has a hanging weight of more than 35 pounds or the fan outlet box is not secure to house structure, you're going to need to install a safety fan brace. Now, we carry these if you need one. Let's get installing. Carefully open the fan box not to damage the blades on top. Remove all the parts and lay them out. Review the instructions and content list to make sure that you have all the parts that you need. Now, you're going to need some tools, a step ladder, and a screwdriver for sure. Now, we don't recommend that you actually use an electrical drill or electric screwdriver. Too much torque can over-tighten screws, damage components, and cause the fan to wobble. Now, you're going to begin by mounting the UL-listed ceiling fan bracket. For the fan installation, remove the hitch pin, lock pin, and set screws from the top of the motor assembly. Don't throw these away. Feed the motor wiring through the canopy and the downrod with the ball. Align the holes at the bottom of the downrod with the holes in the collar on top of the motor housing. Now you're going to carefully insert the hitch pin through the holes on the collar and the downrod. You then insert the locking pin through the hole near the end of the hitch pin until it snaps into its locked location. Tighten the two set screws on top of the fan motor firmly. Lift the fan assembly onto the mounting bracket. Rotate the fan so the notch of the ball engages in the ridge in the mounting bracket. You're going to follow the wiring diagram in your fan. Secure the connections with the provided twist lock wire nuts. Install and tighten the canopy. Counterset the screws, gradually tightening around as you go. Do not turn on the power to test the motor without first attaching the blades. This can damage the motor, so you attach the blades to the blade arms and then you attach all of that to the motor. Just a tip, don't put any downward pressure on the blades. This can throw them out of alignment. Now, if your fan has a light kit, you're going to wire the lights, install any bulbs, and then connect it to the fan motor. Turn the power back on and then test the fan operation. If your fan has a DC motor, the motor will calibrate itself for about 5 minutes or so by making small back and forth movements. It will then operate normally. Now, these tips will help you install your new fan. Visit Lamps Plus for more, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.